Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change your country in Play Store to another. So you need it if you need to install application of country that but you need to install application, but this application are not available is not available in your current region. So just you need just to change your region. So just open Play Store, and here you need to go click here, and here you need to find account. So just open it, and here you will see your email, and here you will see country and profiles. You will see your current country, and when you press add credit or debit card, you just add your credit or debit card from country you want to change, and it will and just accept all terms, and it will automatically change your country to another. So you also needed to do to change your country, but also you know that sometimes it need to about 24 hours to change your current country to another. So but sometimes it uh, changed at this moment, so it depends only on situation. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.